High above the world, nestled between peaks and clouds, lies Refugiul Țigănești, a place untouched, a sanctuary where nature reigns. Here mountains speak in whispers, the wind carries secrets, and every sunset paints stories of wonder and freedom. As dawn approaches, the first rays touch gently upon the earth, revealing valleys and peaks cloaked in mist. An endless canvas of beauty. Beneath open skies, tents emerge softly, tiny lights in the vast wilderness, symbols of adventure, companionship, and dreams pursued beneath infinite stars. This is Refugiul Țigănești, where every moment is an adventure, every view a masterpiece, and your spirit finds its truest home.